To ensure smooth transactions and avoid payment blocks on your Revolut account, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you maintain a good standing with your account and prevent any disruptions. Step 1. Verify your identity. Make sure your account is fully verified by providing all necessary identification documents. This includes a government-issued ID and proof of address. A verified account is less likely to face payment blocks. Step 2. Monitor your transactions. Regularly check your transaction history for any unusual or suspicious activity. If you notice anything out of the ordinary, report it to Revolut immediately. Keeping track of your transactions helps you stay informed and prevents issues. Step 3. Maintain sufficient funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Use approved merchants. When making payments, stick to reputable and approved merchants. Transactions with unknown or suspicious vendors can trigger security measures, leading to payment blocks. Research merchants before making purchases. Step 5. Keep your account information updated. Regularly update your personal information, such as your phone number and email address, in your Revolut account. This ensures you receive important notifications and can be contacted in case of any issues. By following these steps, you can help prevent future payment blocks on your Revolut account and enjoy a seamless banking experience. Stay proactive and informed to keep your transactions running smoothly.